What is modular wiring? Modular wiring is a pre-engineered electrical system. Instead of having to cut and splice parts together on site, you connect some UL-listed parts together for a cleaner, faster, and safer installation. Is modular wiring more cost-effective than traditional wiring? Yes, you may spend a little bit more up front, but installation will go much quicker, saving you time, and it's reconfigurable to use in the future.
So what are the biggest benefits of modular wiring? First off, the major benefit of modular wiring is the installation time, which benefits everybody. Shorter installation times mean much less downtime. Facility managers, they're able to save costs because the installation time is so short. For contractors, you're able to install the product in a much shorter time frame, which looks good for you because then you can accomplish more jobs in a specific day, and you also are able to look good in front of your competitors.
Where is modular wiring typically used? Modular wiring is great for industrial, commercial, and educational applications. Think warehouses, offices, schools, high bay lighting. Anything where the wiring is exposed, modular wiring is going to be a great fit. Every plug-and-go component is UL 183 compliant, safety tested in our manufacturing facility. We can reach 600 volts and 20 amps, so it's definitely safe and durable enough for any industrial application.
Here at Powerbuilt, we manufacture all the plug-and-go components on site in-house, which allows us to extend some of the fastest lead times in the industry. Good example, a project below $40,000, you're typically looking at about 2 to 4 weeks to get everything manufactured and get ready to ship to the site. A project in excess of $40,000, you're probably looking at about 4 to 6 weeks to have everything manufactured and be ready to ship to the site. We recognize that you're going to have some special lead times, special projects. We recommend that you give us a call, see what we can do to help you out with that lead time.
What do you need for us to quote a project? To provide a quote, we'll need a reflective ceiling plan, a fixture schedule, and the location of your panel. If that sounds confusing or you don't know what I'm talking about, just call us and we'll be glad to walk you through. If you're ready for us to quote your next project, or if you just want to know more about Powerbuilt modular wiring, give us a call or check us out online.